Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Out here on another cold Monday on the Monte Carlo. Been a little while since we've been on this. We had a really cold week where I didn't come out here and work on it. And then the following week when it warmed up, or maybe it was a week prior to that, I don't know. But anyways, we did some revamping on this side of the shop. So the Monte Carlo actually got taken down off the jack stands and it got put in on the other side while we did some work over here. We finally got the car back over here and back up on the jack stands. And where we left off with was working on this rocker. If I remember correctly, we painted the inside of everything. That's where we left off at. So I brought some seam sealer out, and I want to seam seal this patch that we welded in before we weld in this new patch here. So if you guys remember from the last video, I only spot welded this patch in on the top. So that was my plan, was to come back and seam seal this afterwards. So at least we're sealed up. I didn't feel the need to fully weld it in when it's inside. So all right. Just a little seam sealer and we're good to go. So it sucks that it's such a cold day out, where we were actually forecasted to be in the 50s, almost 60s this week. And it looks like they pulled that out of the forecast, and we're now in the winter phase again. So yay! Do I grind or do I cut?
Feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight. feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Okay, let's see. I brought the welder over here. Let's see if we can get this guy at the very least tacked in place. Still some grinding to do. I forgot to drill spot holes in it. So, joy oh joy, I gotta take it back out.
don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So we got it all welded in. I'm happy with most of it. The only spot that I'm unhappy with is the way that it met up over here. It met up just fine there, but a little off right there. But I think we're okay. I put a little cut and I hammered and dollied it into place and then welded up that cut. So so we should be good. I don't know what happened right there. It seemed to me like maybe the piece of metal that we made to put in there just had a little bit crisper of a line than the rocker did, which I don't know. I don't know why that is. Up at the front, it lined up perfect with that crisper line. So who knows? But anyways, it's in. So time to grind it up and, you know, see if there's anything else that we gotta maybe buzz in, maybe a pinhole or something here or there. So all right, let's get to it.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. Yeah.
Okay, so I think that is the end of our Monte Monday night. So we got that seam sealed inside there. We got welded in. We got it ground down. I would say that it's ready for some body work, but you know, there's some sandblasting and sanding and everything to do around all of that. So there's still some work to do before there's body work, but she's all nice and in. So much better than the rust hole that was there. So that's it for me tonight, guys. I'm out. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Good night.